I think I got it going. I had to take the new fuel filter apart, turn the pump on, get the air out. Then I took the two lines apart up here. Now it's idling along. Tried starting it a bunch yesterday, but it had air in the lines. Had to pump it out. So far it's a success. 4.3. 1995 G20. Running. Traded my 87 Jeep Comanche. Got new air filter. 95, 4.3 van. There's the old one. Seen better days, not too bad. It's running, smoke a little. It hasn't been running a year or two. I'm not too worried about it. Get air in the tires sometime and see if the transmission works. Battery's hard to get in and out. I hooked up the temporary line so I could work on it. It's purring away so far. See what happens. There's Oliver. You helping Daddy with the van? I don't know if the temperature gauge works. It's at about 150. I don't know if that's correct. Gas gauge is on quarter tank. It seems to be working with the new sender. Oil pressure almost 60, 55, good. Uh-oh, motor knocking. That ain't good. You heard it here first.